Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I want to show you guys 3 homes from 3 different parishes in Jamaica, all priced under 17 million Jamaican dollars. And some of them are 4-bedroom homes. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so the first home I have to show you guys is this one located in Mammee Bay, St. Anne. It's listed for 16.5 million Jamaican dollars. Now, Mammee Bay, St. Anne is that area of St. Anne located just before you get to Jacksall if you're coming off the highway. So, in between Ocho Rios and Jacksall, that area is where you'd find Mammee Bay. So right when you come off that new highway and you're driving towards Jacksall, that area where Rio is, if you know Rio, that's the Mammee Bay area essentially. All right, so this home is how it's set up. It's that it has 3 self-contained units, meaning that you have 3 sections of the home where you have bedrooms, living, kitchen, dining, bathrooms for 3 different families, right? So you can have 3 different families living in this home, which it already does. So this property is one that is already rented. It has its tenants there already, so the owner of the home is selling it. Now with these homes, there are special laws that will guide how the transfer of tenants and so forth will go, and you can speak to the realtor about that. But if you're interested in this one, I will link the realtor's information in the description box down below. And this one is 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, sitting on a lot size of 3,114 square feet. So I'm sorry if I didn't mention that earlier. Realtor information down below. His name is Francois Brown, and that's the person you will reach out to. Okay, so the next home I have to show you is listed for 15 million Jamaican dollars, and it's located in the lovely hills of Redberry District, Porus, Manchester. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and it sits on a 5,071 square foot lot. Just look at this property, guys. You are entirely surrounded by nature. Wow, that one is a beauty. So let's take a look on the inside. So here you have the kitchen. The kitchen does have some cabinets and some built-in setup right there, and it opens up right into the living room and the dining area. So there is a little partitionish to differentiate the kitchen from the other areas, and as you can see, they've used a curtain, but maybe you want to just go in, remove that, and just have it really like open, like a nice open concept. Now the property is fenced, and with all this land space, I think this is ideal for the persons who are always commenting and saying that they need place with land to farm and do some farming and have their space for their backyard garden. So it seems like a little rocky area, but no doubt I think you can find some areas for a little backyard garden. A small garden will take some infrastructural work, but it can be done. So here you have the bedrooms, and the bedrooms are decently sized. As you can see, you have the windows bringing in natural light. Not a bad one here in Porus, Manchester. This is the other bedroom, and this is the bathroom. The bathrooms don't seem to require that much work, right? Which is always good. Let's look at this one. This one seems to have been, recently, renovated. If not recently, it's well taken care of. As you can see, the tiling is really beautiful, really nice. So yeah, 15 million Jamaican dollars. As you can see, I can see also a tank system already set up there on the property. So if you're the type of person, you like your privacy, you like being out with nature, you like that oneness and that getaway from probably a possible busier town like Mandeville in the parish, then this one would be a really good one for you. A nice, sweet escape. If you are interested in this one, you will click the link down in the description box below to contact the realtor. I do not have the contact information for this one, but you have to go through the link, click the link, and then there will be like a window for you to send the realtor a message, and that's how you'll be able to do a showing for this one. The last home I have to show you guys today is this one, listed for 17 million Jamaican dollars in 1st District, Mammee Bay, Clarendon. Now this home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property, and it sits on a 15,091 square foot lot, and that's just about like a third of an acre of land. So lots and lots and lots of space for backyard farming, entertaining friends, possibly even expanding on the original home. So as we go inside the home or take a look inside, you can see you have grills already up. The rooms are just decently sized. All right, just decently sized. I'm not going to say these are the biggest of rooms, but we haven't even seen all the rooms actually. I do like how the kitchen area is quite spacious and open, and you do have some cabinet built-ins right there in the kitchen already. Now this area is located close to the Mammee Bay, the town of Mammee Bay. It's also close to the hospital. It's also close to Denby High and other high schools. And you know, with Denby and this area, you're close to the town, which is really, really good. You have your shopping facilities nearby, schools, banks, everything that you would need. So as you can see, a well-maintained home. Right, just looking for a new owner. You have lots and lots and lots of land space, I can tell you that. And I've gotten so many requests for Clarendon in the past few days, especially even on TikTok. So you guys, if you're interested in this one, link in the description box to reach out to the realtor. So don't hesitate, send in your message. Link in the description box, and the description box again, guys, is that section just below the title of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I have tons of videos coming this week. Yeah, this is going to be a 4-video week because there's lots of content coming. So thank you guys as always for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and until my next video, bye guys.